Now let us solve this. Which of the following choices is divisible by both 7 and 8? So it means that here in these choices, it should be divisible by 7 or 8. It means it can be divided by 7 or 8. Well, we have the first choices po natin is 42. So si 42, pwede ba siya ma-divide ng 7, pero hindi po siya pwede ma-divide ng 8. While si 78, it cannot be divided by 7. No, si 7 hindi. Dito naman si 8, bawal si 8 yan, pwede si 7. Sa 112 naman, so let's see if 112 can be divided by 7. So makikita natin dito, we have 1 dyan, 7, and 42. So, that's 6. So, pwede si 7. And, titingnan natin si 8, if pwede ba si 8. So, sa 8 naman, we have 8 here. Ganito din yung mangyayari. So, this is 3. So, pwede si 32 dito. So, yes, pwede si 32. That would be 4. Si 32, no? 4 times a 32. So, it means that's 14 and 6. So, si 7 and 8 is pwede. So, unnecessary na to continue the letter D, di ba? Bakit? Hindi na natin i-continue si letter D. Kasi nakuha na natin si C eh. So, pwede si C na, pwede siya ma-divide ng 7 and pwede din ma-divide ng 8. So, unnecessary na para i-continue na yung letter D. It takes time kasi and it will consume time and mas matagal lang tayo. So, unnecessary na to continue and then isasagot mo na lang is letter C. But if i-continue natin to see if letter D is divisible by 7 and 8, titingnan natin. So let's erase this. I don't have space. No? And then, dito, titingnan natin if 128 can be divided by 7. So, 7 here. So, 12 minus 7, that would be 5. Tama ba? 5? Yes. And then, that would be 58. Actually, hindi na 7. 58 divided by 7, that would be 8. 8 times 7, that's 56. So, may remainder, no? So, it means hindi divisible by 7 yung letter D. Okay, nakuha na natin yung sagot. So, the choice na dito na pwede ma-divide ng 7 and 8 is letter C. So, thank you for watching.